Hey y'all, my name is Kyler Kippen, and this is
Bellamy Kippen,
and this is Kippen It Real. We're going out to the right, which means so we're gonna go around the docks over to the mangroves over there. We'll maybe hit the docks on the way back. I want to see how far we have to go though. It's not that far. They go about probably about a half a mile down, I would say. It's nice and it's barely windy. It's nice. We can make it to those palm trees over there, you think?
All the way over there? Yeah, let's get a drink of water real quick.
Yeah, we can just take it slow. We're fine.
Huh?
And just take it slow. We're fine. We'll start there and work our way back. I'm gonna drop right here.
Best day ever. Best day ever.
All right, guys, we're out here on another kayaking adventure. As you can see, we got Curtis and Isada with us again. Bellamy's in front of me, as usual. We're fishing with live shrimp right now. We got some dead finger mullet as well. We're gonna try to get after them. Oh, I got something. I think. Oh, yeah. No, Stingray. Stingray. I got myself a Stingray.
Stingray. Stingray.
Not really what I want. What I want. It's not really what I want. It's better than a catfish though. Better than a catfish. Ow. Ow. I just got... Shh. Ow. I just got spiked by something. My pinky is on fire right now. Ow.
Did a stinger get you?
No. Something else. He stung me with something else. I don't know where else these guys have stingers, but he got me. My pinky is hurting right now.
Is it bleeding?
No. I don't know what he got me with. Ow. That was painful. Ah.
They really have nothing else on them.
Ah.
Look at your phone.
What?
Look at your phone.
I gotta get him off first. Yeah. He got me pretty good. There. I just got stung by, not his tail. I don't know what he got me with, but my pinky is, it's not horrible, but it hurts. Yeah, my pinky, I'm not bleeding or anything, but, and I didn't get stung by his tail, but I had my, I don't know where I had my pinky, but it wasn't by his tail. I know that. I just gotta take a break, that's all. I just got here. I'll be all right. Man, it's painful.
Are you all right?
Yeah, it's just a little painful. Yeah, it's getting better. Oh, there we go. Oh!
Why are you willing to quit? Why do you just willing to quit?
I don't know what it was. I just lost something though.
Trout, probably.
Probably. Didn't feel like a trout, felt like something else. Got him again. That's something. Come on! Oh, gosh. Why? This school of something right here. Got him. Got him.
Trout.
First fish on the board. It's a trout. Nice.
Well, you're not the first one who caught
Got me a trout.
You're not the first.
He's probably about 13 inches. Let him go. Thanks, buddy. Ugh. Blue crab! Big blue crab. I caught a blue crab!
Curtis.
Blue crab. I caught myself a blue crab. We could either eat him or use him for bait. Got something?
Yeah,
Oh. Balmy got one.
I just caught.
I gotta put my thing on. I'll get him before he gets in the mangrove.
Redfish.
Big one. Got off. He's on. You're on still.
No, not.
Oh.
Dang it! That was a big redfish. Now I'm casting in there. No, I'm still casting in there. That was a big redfish.
Bellamy had a big redfish. Lost it.
I need to catch that redfish.
You ain't gonna eat it again.
Yeah,
You seriously got another one? Really? Oh, I'll let him fight. Bellamy found him. He got you in the mangroves.
I might get him out. Yeah, I'm getting him out. I got him out.
Net.
Huge.
Bellamy got one. Bring your tip over here. Yeah. There you go. That's how you do it. Don't keep going. Keep going. Almost reel it in a little bit more. I don't think he's a keeper. He's a little bit smaller. All right, ready? Almost got him. Bring him. There you go.
Found him.
Nice.
He's probably 18. Right at 18.
We can measure him, but I think he's going to be a little bit too small. There we go. Right to the tip of the nose.
He's not a keeper.
He's going to be...
He's gonna be at 17.
He's 17. He's too small.
He's
17. He's too small. There you go. Show him to the camera. Well, we got another nice redfish.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Yep, that's him. There he goes. All right, I'm gonna have to ask you to.
What?
I'm gonna have to ask you to just take a break for a second. I want to try to catch one.
Alright.
I want to get one.
I'm untangling this. And he didn't take.
There may be another one in there.
It has to be. There's probably a family in there.
Reel that in fast before it gets stuck on the branch. Really? Really?
Snap it.
Wasting my
How do you catch
shrimp.
that thing?
I just held it right down here. I wasn't trying to. Waste of a shrimp. There we go. Oh, that was great. If I don't get one there, they're gone. That was the best cast.
Already got one. That was another redfish.
Got you off?
Oh, my shrimp. No, you didn't. It's on my tail. I'm casting back.
Hmm.
Nope. Already have another. Probably redfish.
Are you seriously got? I swear, dude. Get him out of the mangroves. Ridiculous, dude.
That's another one.
You got another one. You're gonna have to give me the net again. Careful. Loosen that drag a little bit. That's a big one, dude. It's a big one. Oh my gosh, Bellamy. That's a big one, dude. He's got a big one.
This thing is huge. This thing is huge. I can't get this in the
All
boat.
right, you gotta take it easy.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
god.
can't fight him.
You gotta do it, bro. It's gotta be you. He's got a good one, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
He's off?
no.
Oh, come on, you gotta keep fighting, dude.
Arms are way too tired for this.
Bring him over. Bring him over.
Got him.
Come on, reel. Use. My gosh, dude.
He's off.
Oh!
It was huge!
Still stuck.
Jeez. Dude, that thing had to be close to a 30. Yeah, that thing was big.
This thing is huge.
It's not fair.
Do you see it?
I did. I need to get one, bro. Now I'm, oh, all right there. That was a big one.
Hey, let me catch.
Bro,
Dude.
it's my turn. I can't believe it, dude. That was a nice one.
This thing was.
Right there. I'm telling you right now.
I don't know how he got me off.
He became unhooked. Must not have. He wasn't hooked that great. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, there we go. Got him.
Same one. No, it's not.
I'm gonna let him fight a little bit. I finally got one now.
That's not the same one. Mine was
Oh.
way bigger.
Give me the net. Finally. Finally. Favorite fish to catch, guys. This is recording. I know the other one is. Oh, that one just stopped. Yeah, this one's going. My favorite fish to catch. Finally got one on the channel. First redfish on
Wait,
the
there's
channel.
a spot.
He's got 2 spots on this side.
And a spot is right there. There's a spot.
And on this side, he's got 1 spot on the tail and 1 spot in the middle. Beautiful fish. He's 19 inches. We're gonna keep him. Bellamy's got a redfish. I got a redfish. I caught a trout earlier. I think Bellamy caught a snapper earlier.
No, you caught a snapper. I didn't catch it.
Oh, you didn't catch a snapper. Oh yeah, I caught a snapper earlier.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.